If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can make bookmarks using waste or leftover pieces of fabric. So over here you can see I have waste pieces of fabric, scissors, two pieces of piece board cut out as bookmark templates, sketch pen, glue and a piece of paper for writing the quote. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll take any one of these two fabrics and stick it on either of these templates. So let's see which one we choose. I'll go for the blue. It's a big piece of fabric, so this is how we are going to stick it. We'll stick the fabric on the other side of the bookmark. You can make it overlap like this or you may leave it the way it is, doesn't matter. So first I'll cut out a piece from the fabric. Next I'll spread the fabric out like this and then I'll put the template over here like this and I'll stick the template using glue. Move to one edge of the fabric like this over here. So I'll be applying glue now. Make sure to cover the edges properly. So we'll turn it like this and place it on the fabric like this and smoothen it out on the other side like this. Next we'll apply glue on the other side as well, but less compared to the previous one. We are sticking the glue like this, smoothening it out with our fingers like this, and then we'll slowly wrap the bookmark around like this, okay, so that the fabric covers the entire template of the bookmark like this. It's simple. Now we'll let this dry for a while and after that we'll cut out the excess. You can see the excess is over here and the rest is right over here. We'll cut out the excess. Next I'll take a strip of paper like this and I'll place it right in the middle. Yes, I guess this is the middle. It's right over here, and I'll try to write a quote on it using blue pen since this is a blue themed bookmark. So let's see what I write. use glue and stick this. So take this and place this right in the middle. So this is it, and then you may or may not punch a hole over here.